We will be installing a 4 by 2 inch turf saddle. This saddle is used to transition from polyethylene mainlines to PVC laterals. Spears turf saddle includes the following components: the saddle body with gasket, the lateral adapter, and the stainless steel clamp. The tools needed for the saddle installation include a towel, a marker, a torque wrench, a deburring knife or file, and a drill motor with a properly sized hole saw. Your installation begins by cleaning any dirt and debris from the installation area. Make sure the gasket is properly in place within the saddle body and place over area to be drilled. Install the stainless steel clamp over the saddle body and tighten by hand. Once in place, use the marker to mark the hole from the inside. Once the hole is marked, loosen the clamp by hand and slide the saddle assembly down the pipe. It is not necessary to remove the assembly. Next, use the hole saw to cut out the marked area. Once the hole is cut, make sure pipe coupon is not allowed to fall into the pipe. Carefully deburr the hole and clean any debris from the installation area. Slide saddle assembly back over the hole. Now, screw in the lateral adapter to line up the outlet. When tightened by hand to the pipe stop, the lateral adapter should fit inside the hole, which will keep the saddle in place while tightening the clamp. If necessary, turn the outlet with a strap wrench. Your final step is to tighten the stainless steel clamp using a torque wrench. See the enclosed installation instructions for the correct torque value. Now the solvent cemented branch connection can be made. First, cut the pipe squarely and bevel the end. Once beveled, apply the primer. Make sure the primer is worked into the socket and pipe thoroughly. This will allow both surfaces to become adequately softened. Next, while the primer is still wet, apply the solvent cement. Make sure there is a generous and even coat of cement applied to the pipe. Use multiple coats if necessary. Push in the pipe with a quarter turn until bottomed out and hold the pipe in place for 30 seconds. Make sure there is a visible and consistent solvent cement bead between the pipe and socket, all the way around the joint. If necessary, wipe excess solvent cement from the pipe and adapter. Contact Spears Manufacturing for free detailed literature or training videos on solvent cementing. This concludes our turf saddle installation. Thank you for watching.